SVR. That's tornadic rotation. I'm in it.
In Middle Tennessee until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a thunderstorm was located near Oak Hill, 8 miles northeast of moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour. Wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
I knew this was going to happen.
Wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Smyrna, Brentwood, Forest
I'm
Hills,
getting it right
Oak
now.
Hill,
I'm gonna
Valley,
get this.
Bellevue, Antioch, Berry Hill, and Boone. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest building.
Focus! God dang it.
Southeastern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lewisburg, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lewisburg, Petersburg, Cornersville, and Belfast. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Bedford, Tennessee.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Just give me a minute. Yep. Thank God for a 2-inch hail.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Overton County in Middle Tennessee, Central Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, Central Clay County in Middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Salina, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salina, Gainesboro, and Whitleyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright, if you guys want to see the proof, this is 2-inch hail. Look at that. Holy crap. And it's been 2-inch hail for about 5 minutes, and they just now warned it. And it's heading towards me, so this might be a good day for some weather. But if it dissipates the next little bit. This storm's been strong all day, so. But there you guys go. There we go. There we go. They got my call. Oh no.
The National Weather Thunderstorm Warning, North County, Jackson County,
My voice!
Eastern Michigan. At 5, your thunderstorm located Gainesboro, south 5 miles per hour.
Oh my god.
Temperature for 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Say again, severe thunderstorm warning issued by the National Weather Service, Nashville, for North and Smith County, Jackson, South Maine.
Live voice. Oh, they messed up.
Here is the forecast.
Here we go again. Yeah, they're messing up right now. This is the second one. This is the same SVR, but they just have a live
National Weather issued a severe thunderstorm north Smith County, Jackson County, and south Macon. At 5, severe thunderstorm was located near Gainesboro, south 5 per hour. There's potential storm for wind miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Say again, the Nashville hit severe thunderstorm north County, Jackson, south Macon.
What? What? Holy crap! This is crazy! There we go!
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Smith County in Middle Tennessee.
There we go!
County in Middle Tennessee. Southeastern Macon County in
They're doing it right now.
until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I cannot believe I've gotten 2 live voices.
Daylight time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Gainesboro, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard 16 miles.
Yeah, they're having some
per
trouble
hour.
right now, I can tell.
Hail.
The transmitters are messing
Source,
up right now.
radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carthage, Gainesboro, Grandville, and Whitleyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.